Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crafty Fit, and today I'm going over another process video. It's going to be one layout, and I'm going to be just documenting these photos right here. I'm going to be cutting them down, and I'm going to be using a hip kit. I've been really digging my hip kits. This one is called Chasing Dreams. Don't know when this came out. I don't know if they have the time. Oh, 2022. So really recent. But I have a lot of things from this kit. So I have these really cute mini puffy stickers. I got these pockets that I thought were really cute. Some ephemera and these rolled flowers, I think. So I think I'm going to try to use up some of these rolled flowers. And since I have two of them for my layout, I also have some chipboard. So these are really stinking cute. So I was hoping maybe I can, use like this family time. What a lovely day or something like that. And then we have the papers. So let's see what we have. That one. That is very, very pretty. I really like this one. Ooh, this is definitely going to be one that I'm picking. I don't know if that would match. I mean, obviously they match, but I don't really know if I like that one as much. This one seems to go really well with this. So I feel like those two make a good layout. So I don't want to use that one. This is the hard part, is like trying to pick out the ones that you like. These are cute, but then I also really like that one too. So that might be something that I use. Oh, that's very pretty. It's like almost like a wood grain, the flowers and polka dots. So I think I'm going to go with the polka dots for the background, per se. Some of these are very, very busy. Almost too busy for my liking. Maybe I could do something like that with it. I don't know. Oh, sorry, guys. Okay, I think I'm gonna go. I really like those two together. I really like this one. However, maybe I'll go with this one. And that. Okay. So, because I know for sure I definitely want these two together. And maybe that. Like, that is definitely a layout for me. Not this layout, but and sorry guys, I am still under the weather when I'm filming this, so please bear in mind. Okay, I have no idea, I have no plan what I am doing. Really, I'm just going to go with the flow. So I'm going to look at some inspiration and kind of see what I can get. I'm also going to see how I would make these, because I really have no idea. I think, if I'm not mistaken, you start from the middle. I think that's how it works. I don't know. I'm really gonna have to see about this. I wish that they would tell you how to do it. Okay, I'm gonna go try to figure this out. Because I have no idea. I have no idea. Okay, I'm gonna figure that out and I will be back. Hopefully, if not, we will do something else, something different. Okay, everyone, I am back and I have a little bit of a process of where I'm putting everything. Still have yet to figure out the flowers, so I might be using these and these for flowers. But I have what I want. I'm gonna go ahead and start gluing everything down, and then I'll be back and we can start decorating, adding in some fun things. So just wanted to show you guys what I have so far. And sorry for the running water in the background. Stella is going to get a bath soon. All right, everyone, I am back. I have a lot of things done. I basically finished this layout. I used some of the stickers to say hello, snack bestie. So this is some stickers, and then these stickers I used, and I thought they just matched really, really well. And then I used some of the Scrap and Happy Studio epoxy flare. I still have to glue them down, but I'm gonna put them throughout the layout like that. I also have some of these little puppy stickers. I just have a couple of them. And then now I'm going to add the rest of these little diamonds just everywhere in blue, so then that way I have these used up, because I feel like if I can get them used up on this layout, that would be awesome. So I'm gonna put some here and just kind of layer them around, and maybe some up here, and just kind of sprinkle them everywhere on the layout, so that way I can use these and say I've used them up. And yeah, I'm just going to use them up. Probably take one of these off. There we go. And then just add this one right here, kind of. Okay, so used up one of these, which is awesome and super exciting to have something used up on a layout. So I hope you guys enjoyed this process. I know it was pretty quick. I do want to add maybe some twine to these, and then that'll probably be it. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.